In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add credit on a Xero invoice. Imagine you've just wrapped up a project and it's time to send an invoice through Xero. But there's a twist, your client has a credit from a previous transaction that needs to be applied to this new invoice. So, confused on how to go about it? Well, you're in the right place. Let's start by getting into your Xero account. Head over to the Xero website. Once there, look for the login button, which is typically located in the top right corner of the home page. Click on it, you'll be directed to the login page where you'll need to input your email and password. Go ahead and fill in those fields. Then click on the login button to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, your next step is to navigate to the businesses section. You can find this tab on the dashboard. Hovering over it or clicking should reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select Sales Overview. This area is where all the magic happens regarding invoicing and sales tracking. Now you're ready to get into the nitty-gritty of applying a credit note. Look for a button or option that says New. There should be a small arrow next to it. Click on this arrow. A drop-down menu will appear with a few options. From those options, select Credit Note. This is where you start the process of creating and applying credits to invoices. Once you click on Credit Note, you'll be directed to a new page where you can begin to add the necessary details. Start by adding your recipient. This step is crucial because it ensures that the credit is linked to the right customer or client. Make sure that the recipient's details are accurate to avoid any mishaps. After you've entered your recipient's information, it's time to add more details about the credit note. This could be the reasoning behind the credit, the amount, and any other pertinent details that need to be on record. These details help keep your financial records transparent and up to date, which is essential for both you and your client. Now that you've filled in all the necessary information, it's time to make it official. Look for a button that says Approve. Clicking this will save and apply the credit note to your selected recipient's account. This step is like sealing the deal. Once clicked, the credit is processed and applied accordingly. And just like that, you've successfully added a credit on a Xero invoice. It might seem like a lot of steps at first, but once you get the hang of it, it becomes second nature. Remember, keeping your financial transactions straightforward and transparent is key to maintaining good relationships with your clients. By applying credits when necessary, you show your commitment to fair and accurate billing. A few tips to keep in mind: always double check the recipient's details before approving the credit note. Make sure the reasons and amounts for the credit are clear and justified. And don't hesitate to reach out to Xero's support team if you encounter any issues along the way. We hope this guide was helpful. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so please don't hesitate to leave your thoughts and questions in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. Until next time, happy invoicing.